rain for the old birthday.
Yeah, well, first and foremost, happy 28th birthday.
I appreciate that.
Times 2 plus 8.
And dog years. Exactly. Thank you. I appreciate that very much.
There you go. Yep. It's been a pleasure working with you.
You too.
But you're not retiring yet.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
They can't get rid of me.
No, they can't.
I'm like a bad penny. I keep showing up.
All right, let's get to your forecast there. High temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s right now. You can see Henderson. I do think we hit 90 degrees. The sensor showed up as 88. 88 in Tyler, 88 in Jacksonville. But the temps right now, pretty cool. Upper 60s, lower 70s, Lufkin at 71, it's 70 in Crockett. We're at 70 right now in Jacksonville. Now, for the low-level moisture, that Gulf moisture continues to increase out of the south, which does mean the atmosphere is primed for more rain, not only later on this evening, but as we head into tonight. Now, here is a look at what's going on. We've got a storm system overhead, some showers and thunderstorms to the west of DFW, and then also in our northern counties right now. We'll show those storms first, and then I'll show you what's going on out to our west. But the energy is quickly rushing out from the majority of these storms. See this little line right here? That's called an outflow boundary. So the storms are collapsing. We may see some gusty winds, which we have. We had some reports of some tree damage in Gladewater, but storms continue to move from south to north in Franklin County. It's probably the most intense storm, but that is quickly crossing the Silver River at this point. We will have to watch this complex of storms, which is not severe, to see if it can inch its way in our direction a little later on tonight. Right now, it's not having much success, and most of the models are indicating that it will collapse before it gets here. Now, here's what's causing all this rainfall for today. Got a front to our northwest. That continues to sag off to the south and to the southeast. It's going to slowly make its way in our direction early tomorrow morning. But early tomorrow morning, not a lot of way of rain, maybe a few showers here and there. And then the storm chances are going to erupt because the moisture is not going to be very quick to follow this front. So it's going to be another humid afternoon, and that should be enough Gulf moisture that we do see a few showers and thunderstorms. But that's 3 o'clock. As we move a little further on in time, high pressure is going to descend from the north, and then we will clear out. There's another front that's going to reinforce our cooler air as we head into Wednesday, which means Wednesday, I don't expect high temperatures to get out of the lower 80s as of right now, and we should remain dry on Wednesday as well. Okay, here is the extended outlook, the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook. Not as active, especially from May 21st to May 22nd. After that, we could get a little more active, especially out in West Texas, but we are likely not to see as much rain as what we saw, let's say, last week. And then as far as the temperatures go, I do expect for this time period, our highs are going to remain in the 80s. A lot of those will be lower 80s, so that will keep our high temperatures below normal. A lot of our lows are going to be in the 60s as well, which will also keep us below normal in that aspect of our temperatures. But over the next 7 days, as I mentioned before, storm chances in play tomorrow. I do think a lot of us will see a little bit of rain, and then 80s expected Wednesday and Thursday. We'll hit 88 Friday. Another chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday, along with another front. Look at that, pretty smooth sailing. Lower 80s Sunday and Monday with lows in the 60s. Now, as we look at deep East Texas, similar trend, lower 80s Tuesday and Wednesday, 86 Thursday, and a few showers around Friday and Saturday with highs in the 80s. Low temperatures will be in the 60s. Neil?
I like you more, son.